There's been a lot of criticism, though, on the response to these fires and just how quickly things got out of control.
Well, senior reporter Ross Palombo has been investigating this, and he's looked at some of the answers given to some tough questions.
We just got out of a major press conference here at the Emergency Operations Center where all the city leaders, including the mayor and the fire chief, just gave us a major briefing. And we tried to get several of the most pressing questions answered that the public has. First and foremost, we asked the fire chief exactly what is going on with the hydrant system. Homeowner after homeowner has been coming up to us and saying in the Palisades fire, for example, the hydrants have been running dry. So we asked the fire chief if there's a lingering problem. So is there a problem there? That's all homeowners want to know. They think there's a problem. Every homeowner is asking us this.
In regard to our response?
No, in regard to the hydrant system and the water.
Yeah, and again, when it comes to water and delivery of the water, from the firefighters' perspective, we're going to hook up to that hydrant and we would expect water. If there's not water there, guess what? We're going to go find another hydrant. If that doesn't work, we're going to go to plan B, C, and D in regard to go and draft. And that's what our people do. They're not just going to stand there and say we don't know what to do. They're problem solvers, and they're going to make it work.
If you need more money, you need more money.
Yeah.
If that was a factor, firefighters are telling me that that was not staffed as much as it could have been because of overtime concerns.
Not for this particular fire in regard to when we need overtime on a disaster like this, that is a zero issue.
Next up, we tried to speak with the mayor about where we are with this fire that has burned through more than 20,000 acres and has destroyed or damaged 5,000 structures, several people deceased in this fire. What is it going to take, we asked her, for the city fire department and all fire officials to get a handle on this? Do you have enough resources? How many firefighters have been brought in?
We have been fortunate with mutual aid, with support coming from basically all over the country. And in fact, I was with the governor earlier. Canada is sending support.
And Mayor Batts, if I may just ask one more question. You just got back and there's some national criticism that you've seen. You say we need to stand together, but there have been calls for your resignation. There's a change.org petition. What do you say to those criticisms coming at you?
When the fires are out, we will do a deep dive. We will look at what worked. We will look at what didn't work, and we will let you know.
Also, we spoke with Sheriff Luna after he announced that a curfew may be coming in the fire areas. This would prevent anyone from being in those areas after 6 p.m. They could be arrested. Here's the latest from him.
Where we're at right now is County Council is preparing the paperwork. I've seen the latest draft. We're going to forward it to the other agencies like the Los Angeles Police Department. We want to do this together so it's more effective. When it takes place, it'll mean that at 6 p.m. at night, no one can enter these specific areas until 6 in the morning.
So the sheriff says that that is the plan. It is not in effect yet, but could go into effect possibly later tonight, most likely Friday. Of course, we'll keep you updated. For now, I'm Ross Palombo, KCAL News.